On July 23, 2024, a 31-year-old woman stormed into the Alliance police station parking lot, confronting a man who had just reported her for domestic violence.
Roll your window down or I'm going to pull you out. Roll your window down or I'm 48 headquarters. I'm going to need another car. Roll your window down. If you don't... Okay, I am going to arrest you for obstructing. I am going to arrest you. I promise you I am. If you don't exit the vehicle, I am...
You're not touching me.
If you don't exit the vehicle, I am arrested.
Hurry up and get here.
You can call whoever you want. If they interfere, they're going to jail too. Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
Ignoring commands to exit her stolen car, she refused to surrender.
What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window.
Meanwhile, a guest attempted to join the party, but quickly realized what she was walking into.
You don't back up. You're not standing behind us.
Okay, I'm not standing behind you.
During this moment, the suspect spotted an opportunity.
Listen, your window's going to break out, you're going to come out.
No! .48 headquarters, she's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck. No, stay the f back! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
No, wait, tell him to get...
Car!
No, wait, tell him to get away!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Get away from me then!
Get out of the car!
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Stop it! Stop
Face on your belly! Get on your
Get on
belly!
your belly!
Look at my hand!
Get on your
Get on
belly!
your stomach!
Get on your
stomach!
Get on your belly!
Your stomach!
Get on your
stomach!
Get on your belly! Get on your belly! Taser! Taser! Get on your belly!
Oh, no!
Taser! Get on your belly! Get on your belly! Taser! Taser! Get on your belly!
Oh, no!
Taser!
Put your hand on your back! Then get off of me! Do not do this to me again!
Get your hand behind your back! Get your hand behind your back!
Let me go!
Here, use these. Yeah.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! I'm not doing anything! I am not doing anything in this again! You guys
Hurry up.
did it again! Let go of my wrist! Psychos! Hey! Yeah, you
Don't you f***ing move or you're getting zapped again.
You are such an abuser! You are a f***ing abuser! Do not zap me just because I called you a f***ing abuser. Okay? No! Can you not? He needs to stay the f*** away from me.
Sit up on your butt.
I already talked to you guys about this. Like, give me my medications. Get off. No! You're trying to take my purse again. Stop!
Cut it off.
No!
We will cut it off.
Bondoni,
if you give us
no!
any issues.
Let me have.
Do you want me to
Kayla,
cut off your
We're
purse?
way past that.
Why are you guys
You want to
doing
play these
things?
stupid games? We're
No,
just gonna cut it
because you're
off.
pressing the sack. Oh my god. What was gonna?
Okay, and you ran! I'm not going to help you!
Because this is what happens to me every time.
Yeah, because you act like that! Yeah, that's why you rammed into my cruiser
And ran into my cruiser.
and almost ran me over?
Yeah, you guys want to say that because my sister came down here to save me.
Yeah, my body cam has it all, honey.
I know, and your body cam has.
Let's get her in a f***ing car.
No, stop!
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Read her right.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you during a questioning. If you can't afford to hire one, won't be provided for you. You have the right
Rammed one police cruiser and then slammed into another, her escape shattered in cuffs. She remains in Stark County Jail on a $100,000 bond, facing multiple felony charges, including felonious assault, unlawful restraint, and OVI.
Car.
I hate him.
Get in the car.
I don't let him touch me. You f***ing piece of shit. My hand's gonna break again.
Well,
Get away!
Life's choices.
So, are you f***ing kidding me? Get the f*** away, sicko.
Do you understand that your sister's a grown woman?
I do.
Who are you?
Sorry.
Hold on. I'm not done. I'm not done.
apologize to you.
You may in just a second. Who are you to come interfere? I'm not saying that that was your initial intention, but when we're dealing with her, what is you adding to the mix going to do? All this did was make me focus on you as well as focusing on her. And one of our officers almost just got hit by her car because she's nuts.
I got scared. I don't know what you had out on you, but when you pulled the first thing out, I thought you had a gun at her, so that's why I came forward. And I've never seen any of my family members be shot or have a gun pulled out on them, so I'm
Unfortunately,
sorry I react like that.
I've never shot anybody.
Okay, but I'm sorry I react like that. You have to understand, I've never seen anything like this, and this has been a lot on me.
I can imagine. Do you understand that by this situation, your involvement up to this point right now,
Yeah.
gets you a trip to the Stark County Jail?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Please. No, I just...
Is this a learning experience?
Yes, please.
Is this ever going to happen again?
No, I promise you.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Please do not
Get out of the car.